let's create some alternative country rankings other than total medal count. There have been events in 42 distinct Olympic sports since 1896. Shortly, you'll determine the top 5 countries that have won medals in the most sports since 1896. You'll also compare medal counts of the Cold War rivals, the USA and the USSR, from 1952 through 1988. To this end, let's introduce 2 final related methods to help you on your way: the data frame IDX max and IDX min methods. IDX max returns the row or column label where the maximum value is located. As an example, let's look at these monthly mean temperatures in 2013. The IDX max method returns the row label of the maximum entry by default. Here, July was the hottest month. If the months are column labels rather than row labels, the method IDX max still works. You have to use axis equals columns. Finally, the method IDX min works the same way for finding minimizers. With this in mind, go back to the exercises and find other trends in the medals won. You can now make some plots from your Olympic medal analysis. The first plotting principle with pandas is that the horizontal axis values come from the series or data frame index by default. Remember, with time series data, pandas plot methods can handle dates on the x-axis as well. The best way to get a meaningful index with the manipulations you've done for your Olympic data is to do so explicitly. That is, you'd use group by or an index option in a call to pivot table. One subtlety is that plotting tools like Matplotlib work best with a one-level index. There's quite a few multi-level indexes generated from group by operations in your medal counts and such. The tool you'll want here is unstack to unpack the multi-index. This kind of group by, followed by unstacking the index, is called reshaping. Actually, reshaping works well with another pandas plotting principle. Distinct columns yield distinct line plots in a figure. Now you can finish up your study of Olympic medals in the exercises by making some attractive graphs. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of manipulating data frames with pandas. You've learned to leverage pandas' seriously powerful data manipulation engine to get the most out of your data. You can transform, extract, and filter data from data frames to answer the specific question at hand. You're a whiz at working with pandas indexes and hierarchical indexes. You've also become adept at reshaping and restructuring your data using pivot, melt, stack, and unstack. On top of this, you've learned how to split your data into groups and categories for more advanced data analyses. You put all these skills together and took a deep dive into the Olympic medal dataset. Well done! In the upcoming course, Merging Data Frames with Pandas, you'll take your data frame skills to the next level by learning how to merge and combine different data frames from divergent sources. The set of skills there will prove invaluable in the wonderful world of data science.